Okay, so we're about to board the cruise. We have already shown our tickets. We board right next to the Tower of London and now we're ready to board. Ahí más family? Hi.
How many of you?
Six.
Six. Welcome.
Hello, six people. We're being shown to our table now. As you can see, lots of people sitting already. Thank you. Okay, so this is what the deal is with the cruise. It's 2 courses, you get a main and you get dessert, you pay in advance, you board the boat, and then you have the option on board to buy extra drinks or anything else that you wanted. They have a very extensive menu. Cruise lasts 1 hour and 45 minutes and you're advised to arrive at the pier 15 minutes before so you can board and take your seat before you leave.
The seat of the British government and the meeting place of the House of Commons and the House of Lords.
What an amazing view!
And the London Aquarium. Next to it, the London Eye. The London Eye is the observation wheel. 130.
At the start, you get some bread and butter. And the favorite thing to see, definitely when you're on the Thames, is Tower Bridge. So the commentary has ended and now they're going to serve the mains. Still enjoying the amazing view. You can see the Shard there. Just about to go on the Tower Bridge. You go through all the major tourist attractions. Okay, our main has arrived and it's chicken. So we're coming towards the end of the boat ride. It's been really nice. The kids have enjoyed it. The food was very good. So yeah, if you want something to do with your family around London, then this is one of the very good options. Do you like it?
I want to come back.
You're the Buzun.
Goodbye, guys.
So in terms of the price, it's around 60 to 70 pounds per person, and it includes a 2-course meal and drinks are on top. It's around 7 to 8 pounds per beer. So yeah, all in all, really good activity if you're a tourist and also if you're a local and you just want something different to do for a couple of hours.